Oh boy, so what is this passaggio, or this area that where the voice breaks? Passaggio. Where is my passaggio? Or where is my break? Or well, for men usually that's somewhere depending on how low or how high, or how heavy your voice is or how light your voice is. It changes. Obviously, the lighter the voice, the likelihood that the break is higher. Usually you could break at F sharp, usually around that area for a light voice. For a more heavier voice, E flat, maybe there, maybe a D. It depends how low your voice, how low your voice is. And as you bring it up, it will eventually want to change to head voice, and that's where your break is, especially when it's not balanced. So an example of that, if I went, let's say I'm gonna break. So I went from so I went from my chest sound to my head sound smoothly. You didn't hear me break. If I did a break, it would be more. Let me see if I can do it. Breaks is because I'm adding more weight than I can carry over to my head sound. So okay. Now my voice is transitioning almost imperceptibly. You might hear a slight change there. So hey, there you start to feel that I'm not going to be able to bring all that sound all the way up. That heavy sound, I cannot bring it up higher. So ultimately what you want is you want to smooth out that area. And the way you do that is by balancing the two, both the head and the chest, so that the amount of volume and the weight on one section is handing over. It's like a baton. You're passing the baton from the chest to the high notes smoothly without dropping the baton. Dropping the baton is like you're breaking. Hey, let's see. Hey. Okay, here we go. You didn't hear the break. There is no break there, because my voice is passing the baton from chest to head without dropping the baton. Now, you start to feel like, okay, something has to give, and this is it. That's where the break is. When you're not able to carry the same quality to the higher notes, and I'm outdoors, that's why you're hearing all this noise. This is the only way I can do all these sounds. When you're able to negotiate your chest with your high notes, that's what you want. So let me see. Baby, 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 baby. You heard that because I'm trying to force the bottom note weight to the top. That's where the break will happen. As I mentioned, every voice is different, and so you have to learn how to smooth that. Check out my other videos if you like this. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to be notified each time I upload a new video. Leave your comments and hit the notification bell. Thank you for listening.